All right, we got another unboxing. These all came. I got 5 boxes from ZZounds that came on my doorstep over the weekend. Right now, we're going to be tracking through the Manly Reference Cardioid right here, which is a beautiful mic, probably industry standard. Very nice, one of my personal favorites. Let's get into these and see what we got. I don't know what it is. This one is very heavy. It says, the tape says Lewitt on it, so let's just cut open to these. Oh, Lewitt does such a nice job with these Pelican cases. Very, very nice. Let's pull this guy out and see what we got. This sucker's very big. Okay. Oh boy. Hold on. Oh yeah. Okay. Ugh. All right, the LCT 840. I don't know what that means, but it's really heavy, and the case is really sturdy. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. It's in Chinese. The LCT 840. Microphone. Oh, boy. Wow, you can see the tube right in there. Look at this. Look at that. You can see that tube right in there. That's going to look really pretty when and it's heavy. That's going to look really cool when you fire it up. I like that idea, to be able to see the tube in the mic. That is really cool. Let me set this down. And it comes also in this beautiful Pelican case. Let's see if I can prop it up here for you guys to see. Inside comes with a shock mount. Really nice sturdy shock mount. Again with that windscreen in there. And it looks like it comes with its own, what is this, a power supply? Is that why this thing's so heavy? Yeah, this is, oh wow. So I'm going to have to dive in more because I don't really know, but it looks like it's coming with its own power supply here. Mic input. So this is probably, it comes with its own pre, which is always nice to, you know, when a manufacturer makes a pre designed for their own mic. So we can look at that. This will probably look much better once we fire it up and we get it working. But, I mean, this has got some weight to it. It looks like on the front here you can adjust polar patterns. And I see negative 0 dB, negative 10 dB. So it looks like it has the features here for polar pattern adjustment and a high-pass filter and such. So really, really cool presentation. I'm excited to try this one. This is most likely their flagship, looking at the quality of it and the presentation of it. Super excited to try that out. And again, just the sturdiness of this case. Oh, it looks like, wow, up here in the top of the case, they even use this area in the top of the case right here for cable wrap. You can see it in there. It comes with the cables wrapped right in the top of the case. This is very smartly engineered, very sturdy, based on packaging alone. This is the most sturdy industrial, like, travel packaging I've seen so far. So that's the LCT 840. Looking forward to try that bad boy. Make sure I do this right. Get these buckles going. Oh yeah, that. Okay. Set that down. Okay, what else we got next? Let's go for a smaller box. Actually, I should probably get these big boxes out of the way. All right, let's dive into this gigantic box here. Let's see what we got. This is a big sucker. Big box. You know, I think good things come in big boxes. Oh yeah. Very, very cool. I am excited to try this one because I use this. I use a clone version of this with the Townsend. So I'm excited to try this. This is the Warm Audio 8000, which is similar to, I believe this is based off of the Sony C800 or C800, which is a beautiful microphone I use. Like it's a pop microphone. It has a very nice pop presence. A lot of rappers use it, hip hop artists, pop music people use this microphone. Let's open this up. These are just really cool looking. You know, they sound great, but they're also just amazingly cool looking. And again, this is nice, and this is not going to be a cheap microphone by any means. All the stuff we're opening here, this is all really high-end stuff. Oh, great. And it comes again with a really, I like this idea that these manufacturers are doing with these Pelican cases. So smart to protect your gear like this. Yeah. Comes in this huge, beautiful Warm Audio Pelican case. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's beefy. And let's open this up. Clips feel good. Yeah, that's really gorgeous. So you can see in here, power supply. Looks like your foam pop filter if you want to use your foam pop filter. And the Warm Audio does this thing with their shock mounts with those two clips there, which is really cool. It's a smart way to do it. And look at this guy. I mean, this thing is just really cool looking, and it's got this super. This must be for heat distribution. I'm not sure what it's for, the back part, but yeah, that is just a gorgeous. You can see the gold shimmer in there for that capsule. Yeah, really, really nice. I'm super excited to try this. Warm Audio WA200 tube condenser microphone. Cool. Very excited. Yeah. This is such an adventure to try all this gear and to look at it and touch it and see it. First person is so much different than shopping online, I have to say. To be able to, see, like when you go to a shop or a Guitar Center or a Vintage King or, any sort of in-person store, to be able to touch and feel and look at the gear. I think it really helps adjust your decision making. Super excited to try this. We'll get to that this week, hopefully in a couple days. But I'm seeing a theme here with all these Pelican cases, which is really neat. Okay, I got one more. Let's go with a smaller box. Got a smaller box here. Let's see what's in this guy. What are you doing in here? Let's see here. Serial number 5254265. Soyuz handmade microphones. Wow, look at this. Comes in a cool wooden box. Look at that. You guys can take first peek. What? Soyuz microphones. Look at this. Handmade microphones. Wow. I would never in a million years have picked this. It's gorgeous. Let me show it to you. Very, very cool looking microphone. Look at that. It's very classic and, World War II, old world looking. Very excited to try this out. This is, definitely not something I would have chosen. I tend to always go for something more modern, but it's got a really cool look and feel. I'm excited to see what this sounds like. I know the Townsend Labs, the mic modeling system I use, has this in its arsenal, and I have not tried it. I have not looked at it. So very excited to do a review on this to see what that sounds like. It could be my favorite microphone. I have no idea. I don't know what to expect. I like microphones like this where I have no idea what to expect. So this is that is really neat. Okay, let's keep going here. Set that in the two test pile. Okay, we got one more giant. Looks like this is most likely going to be another Pelican case here. Right in front of me. This is going to be. Oh boy, it's one of those boxes within a box operations. Oh, cool. Yep. All right. I see Mojave on the outside. So I got a little history with this Mojave microphone. Let me see if it's the one I think it is. I am a big fan of Mojave audio. And I originally had bought one of these. It was the first nice microphone I bought besides my 416. And then I ended up selling it. No fault of my own. I mean, I thought it was the microphone, but it really was just, I was just not good enough of a performer yet to know how to use it. Wow. Massive, massive Pelican case. Holy smokes. This thing is monstrous. Yeah. Yeah, the MA100, the MA1000. I had this microphone, and I loved it. I'm excited since it's been, I think, probably 5 or 6 years since I've had this microphone to try it. Again, really nicely presented. It is super easy to travel. Power supply here. Let's open the box. Nice, really nice shock mount. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. The microphone itself is really pretty. If anything, I mean, I know I like this microphone. I'm excited to see if it's changed since wow. Even on the bottom, it's got this beautiful suede feel, so it won't mess with the shelf you put it on. Tiny little classy button here to press in. Oh, gorgeous! Look at that. The one I originally had got, I think, was all silver. It may have not been this model. I think I got the MA200. I think if that's the one, I think. So I don't think I've actually tried this particular microphone, but this is just such a classy. Oh, got a nice weight. I am super excited to try this. Beautiful, gorgeous microphone. I love the kind of the cream matte color and that classy grill. Super excited. Really, really, really cool microphone. I like the stuff Mojave does. All right, let's put this back. And just the presentation, this Pelican case with this beautiful real wood box that comes in with the elegant little clasp. So high class. Mojave does such a nice job. Okay. That is going to be a lot of fun. That is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to put this down here with the rest of them. I have the two try pile, and then I have the already tried pile. All right, we got one more left here. Looks like a medium-sized box. Let's open this guy up and see what we got. The competitor to the Townsend Labs, the Slate Digital. So interesting. We're gonna I'll probably have to do a shootout of all of them, because now we have the Slate, we have the Antelope, which I still have, and we have the Townsend Labs. All three are mic modeling systems, so we'll have to see of the three which I prefer. I really don't know. I've only tried the Townsend Labs system. I know Slate, this microphone is a bit more affordable. I think these start at $500. I'll post a link in my profile. Yeah, cool. Nice little carrying case here. Comes with. Nice. Oh, nice weight to it. Not too heavy. Yeah, that's all you need right there. So, solid black. You guys can take a look. Solid black microphone. Software voucher inside. So this is all going to be software driven with your with your Universal Audio mic pre. Nice shock mount there. A pretty large shock mount. Extra shock mount cables. And then let's take out this microphone, take a look at it. It's got some silica gel. Gotta got that silica gel. Yeah, so the mic itself, yeah, standard size microphone. I would say a touch smaller than the ones we've been using, but right there. Slate Digital, it's got Slate logo on it. Pretty straightforward operation. All right, well, that's the opening for today. So this week, we're going to see a lot of microphones coming out of this studio. So far, all the audio from this session has been on this Manley right here. I've been tracking with this. So if you like the sound of what you're hearing, that's going to be this reference C here. But yeah, super excited for all of them. All those are really unique, really different microphones that I don't think I would have, picked for myself. So excited to experiment with them. All right, that's it.